Welcome back, everyone. Today we are talking about our 2.2-liter GM engine. This is for your 1996 to 1997 Sonomas and S10s. We refer to this as an inline engine. As you can see, all 4 cylinders are in one straight line across the top portion of the motor. This was designed as a low displacement model for subcompact vehicles, and drivers do note it as being dependable and an economic choice for their S10s and Sonomas. We offer this unit with our 5-year unlimited mileage parts and labor nationwide warranty. It's also able to be upgraded to our no-fault coverage Pure Care plan as well. When you call your drivetrain genius, don't forget to ask them about any available install kits for this engine that include things like plugs, wires, belts, and hoses to help you get your Sonoma or S10 back on the road in tip-top shape.